This was like,
To be honest, Kaisi Yaria was a show about friendship.
yeah.
It wasn't a show about romance, like intense romance or anything of that sort. और मानिक और नंदिनी का ही चलेगा आगे.
AP Dillon, like I love him, like Diljit Dosanjh, like when I'm working on, I'm just listening to them.
आप दिलजीत के कॉन्सर्ट पे गए?
मैं जा रही हूँ मैं जा रही हूँ. I'm quite excited. Pat first time recorded me on his phone. Okay, very nice.
So that was fun.
वो मैं वीडियो में भी बोल रही हूँ. Oh my God, Pat के वीडियो में पहली बार वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है and I'm there. I'm like ये cut to फोन घूम गया.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. मेरे साथ है पार्थ संखाना टेलर अपने नए गाने के साथ माहियास. Congratulations, लोगों
Thank you.
ने इतना प्यार ऑलरेडी दे दिया आपको 11 घंटे में.
Thank you.
सबसे पहले तो मुझे आपसे ये सवाल पूछना है. The song is so सूरज हुआ मध्यम क्योंकि हम डेजर्ट में शूट करते थे. अपनी बॉलीवुड ड्रीम्स कहीं ना कहीं कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं ऐसे गाने.
ऐसा नहीं. But it's just really nice that you have a new venue to shoot at, new location.
Yeah.
And it is like it was quite hectic and eventful shooting in the Registan. So अच्छा था experience.
But still कहीं ना कहीं you know it's your typical Bollywood kind of romantic songs जो हम देखते हैं. वो आपके लिए do you think it's close to that?
It is close to that, but I mean पिछले 3-4 सालों में ही ये म्यूज़िक वीडियो का फेज़ आया है एंड वी बीन फॉर्चुनेट इनफ कि ऐसा फेज़ आया है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली उसके पहले था नहीं. तो उसके पहले हम एक्चुअली वी यूज्ड टू ड्रीम और वी हैड दैट डिज़ायर टू यू नो कभी हमारे ऊपर भी ऐसा पिक्चराइज हो गाना या कुछ ऐसे ओरिजिनल सॉन्ग तो कितना मज़ा आएगा. सो या मी टॉकिंग टू अ पर्सन हु हैज़ डन 25 म्यूजिक वीडियोस. यस.
But मुझे आपसे ये भी पूछना है that लोगों का ये सवाल है कि इतने साल हो चुके हैं और आज भी this pair is so relevant and still getting the same sort of love and the fandom कभी decrease नहीं हुई है. What do you think is the reason कि आपकी fandom इतनी strong है और relevance आज भी है? कुछ नए चेहरे, नए couple, नए shows काफ़ी कुछ आ रहा है and with every OTT platform, with every different music videos, we feel new love, but for y'all it's still the same.
Because I think from the beginning only, Manan has been very hit, and I think we've touched a lot of people's heart, and because of our series, a lot of people have got connected. It was very easy for them. It was very relatable. So I think that's how they're so connected, and there's so much love that they have for us. And either you know they can see they want a guy like a Manik, or they are a girl like Nandini. So maybe it's very relatable. So that's why I think कि they just love us. कि हम कहीं भी होते हैं 10 साल भी मिलते हैं, you know, after even a year, even if we are just seen together, there's just so much love from everywhere. So it is a blessing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
सेम. इट इज़ अ ब्लेसिंग एंड हालांकि मतलब शुरुआत में वो एक्साइटमेंट होती है बिकॉज नई पेयरिंग है, नई केमिस्ट्री है. तो बट इट्स कमेंडेबल दैट ओवर द इयर्स इट्स बीन अ डेकेड that still it is so strong, the love is so strong, the appreciation is so strong. So yeah, you're blessed.
कभी वो डर रहा है कि ये fandom कहीं ना कहीं चला जाएगा?
कभी एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं करा था at first place. कभी ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करा था कि कुछ ऐसा
None of
because
us thought this would ever
yeah,
happen. Like
because
this was like
to be honest, Kaisi Yaria was a show about friendship.
yeah.
It wasn't a show about romance, like intense romance or anything of that sort. और मानिक और नंदिनी का ही चलेगा आगे. It just happened, and people started loving it. People started
And
loving the
because
chemistry.
of them also season 4 and 5
Yeah,
came.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, it's very rare because of the fans. The show comes back and you know they need to shoot.
So it's all so, yeah.
Even हमारे fans go to you know production houses and say please you know cast them together, do this together. So I think tips hurt them and hurt
They got the right tips.
Yeah.
Right, tips, yeah. But because अभी आपने देख लिया है, आपने वो चख लिया है सक्सेस और वो फैंडम, इसलिए मैं पूछ रही हूँ वो डर रहता है कहीं ना कहीं कि अब से नहीं जाना चाहिए.
नहीं अगर
Now-
सच्चा प्यार है तो वो कहीं नहीं जाता ना.
नहीं जाना.
थोड़ा फिल्मी डायलॉग हो गया but when there is true love and when you're connected I don't think it will go away.
Yeah. But you know what was the first impression जब आपने ये गाना सुना?
I really liked it and I
It's very soulful.
very
song.
soulful, very sweet, very nice.
What is
अच्छी
your
धुन है.
typical music genre जो आप सुनते हो? आपके music?
Mine either it's like a full dancing number, yeah, or either it's like a slow romantic, you know, like
मुझे
birds of a feather type song. Yeah, that is my genre, or it's like the
or
happy.
it's like Dig Jack Dig Jack.
Yeah, like AP Dillon. Like I love him. Like Diljit Dosanjh. Like when I'm working on, I'm just listening to
अब
them.
दिलजीत के कॉन्सर्ट पे गए
मैं जा रही हूँ. मैं जा रही हूँ. I'm quite excited.
What about you, Parth?
It depends, mood to mood. Like if I'm working out तो वर्कआउट के लिए अलग सॉन्ग्स हैं, प्लेलिस्ट. रात को अगर फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर जा रहा हूँ तो वो अलग ट्रैक है. गाड़ी में कुछ अलग म्यूजिक है. सो इट डिपेंड्स मूड टू लाइक.
एक गाना जो आप दोनों अभी ऑब्सेस्ड हो तो वो कौन सा गाना है?
एक गाना जो अभी ऑब्सेस्ड है. तो
अरे
मैं मेरे लिए तो कोई गाना नहीं है.
जो पे चल रहा है शायद.
लूप पे चल नहीं रहा है, बट आई बीन सीइंग वरुण धवन का नैन मटक्का. That is just going on in everything that I see. That song is playing. So yeah, that for me.
Parth?
नहीं, मेरे लिए तो अभी फिलहाल कुछ ऐसा है नहीं जो मैं बाहर. सुनिया
सुनिए.
दैट.
अभी तक?
हाँ, अभी तक नहीं, मैंने रिसेंटली सुना.
अच्छा आपने recently
तो यार.
क्योंकि जब आई थी तो
हाँ.
Yeah, that was like.
तो वो
but yeah, I think these two songs are
Yeah.
really trending. But you know, आप एक दूसरे को इतने टाइम से जानते हो एंड आपने एक दूसरे की इवॉल्वमेंट भी देखी है लाइफ में, करियर में, एज पीपल, एज co-stars, as friends. What's the change that you see from Niti back then to now, and what change do you see from Parth back then?
I just feel we were very young when we all started, and we all were very enthusiastic about doing our work, and there was just like, I want to do this better and everything like that. Now, because every individual evolves over the year as an actor, as an individual, so I think now we're like quite sorted. Now it's just like, let's make this and let's make this our best. And it's not like I like before. I think it was for all of us, but now it's like, we shall make this the best. So
So
yeah,
now it's become really
yeah.
more
So I think
professional and collaborative.
yes, there's more understanding. There's more of, you know, like valuing each other, and it's not my scene, it's our scene. So it's like that. Huh?
What about you?
सेम.
You have to add something to it. You cannot say.
नहीं, actually she said it very correctly कि firstly when we started off it was about proving ourselves because it was our very first show and we wanted to give our best. We wanted to compete with each other. We wanted to see who performs well, who performs better on that day. So yeah, and the energy was there, the sort of enthusiasm was there obviously. And now over these years everything, we know the characters, we know how he or she talks or behaves in a certain manner. So now वो एक ठहराव आ जाता है और एक किस्म की अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ जाती है कि अब that time in fact we were actually trying to prove because the show was about friendship, so everyone was like giving their best. But then suddenly season 2, 3, 4 में the show became about Manik and Nandini. So the responsibilities came on our shoulders, so we became like you could say the torch bearers of the shows, and then we were like कि ठीक है, अब responsibility हम पर है तो we know it now we have to carry it forward. So हमारे लिए एक किस्म की एक अच्छी responsibility थी where we carried it forward.
See, you had so much to say. आप सेम बोल के डाल रहे थे.
अगला वाला भी सेम बोलूँगा.
नहीं बोल पाओगे. मेरा यही सवाल है क्योंकि हर बार जब मैं मिलती हूँ यही क्वेश्चन फैन को रहता है कि शादी कब होगी and is there any
Oh God.
and like is there any progress happening?
नहीं यार, अभी फिलहाल तो नहीं. But I'm sure they must be happy about it.
Yeah, all the girls will be like, oh नहीं मत करो शादी, हम हैं लाइन में वेट कर रहे हुए.
But this year has been great for both of
Yes.
you. आप क्या कहना चाहोगे इसके, especially part 3 films थी काफी.
Yes, and I've been very happy and obviously overwhelmed with the responses that I've received for my film and the kind of work that I did in the film and the character that I played. So I'm really glad that people loved it, people liked it, and people have appreciated, and people have actually people who haven't seen me before in television or something of that sort. For them, it was a complete new picture altogether, and they actually came to me and they said कि ऐसे लग ही नहीं रहा कि तेरी पहली पिक्चर है, ऐसा लग रहा है तेरी 7वीं 8वीं पिक्चर है. The kind of confidence that you had on the screen, it showed. So all the best to you, and you've done tremendous amount of good work in the film. So that was one of the biggest compliment, best compliment that I received. So I'm very glad that people have loved the character.
Niti, what about you? How is this year been?
This year's been great for me. It's been amazing, and I just hope the next year is even more amazing, and it just stays like that
Stays.
always.
थोड़े फैन क्वेश्चंस है जो मैं क्विकली आपको पूछूंगी.
ठीक है.
हमने एक पोल किया था हमारी इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी पर where they could ask you guys whatever.
Okay.
So I'm gonna read them out. Share any fun moment behind the screen that happened while shooting the song.
Fun moment.
Boogie
I think the drive for me it was fun. For her
I'll
it
tell
was.
you one thing. Part first time recorded me on his phone. Okay, very nice.
So that was fun.
वो मैं वीडियो में भी बोल रही हूँ. Oh my God, part के वीडियो में पहली बार वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. I'm there. I'm like ये cut to phone घूम गया.
हाँ.
And then we were finding the phone, and that was actually a fun moment because all of us were सब लगे हुए थे. Phone कहाँ है? Phone कहाँ है?
That wasn't fun for me.
I know, but I'm saying it was like a thing. Like if you see it
Yeah.
from a third perspective, it was like everybody's just looking for the phone. So it was just like.
Any specific reason why you chose to do Mahiya together?
ऐसा नहीं था कि हमें पहले कुछ बहुत अच्छे ट्रैक्स थे और हमने उसको रिजेक्ट किया. इट वाज दिस सॉन्ग दैट मतलब मे बी टिप्स गॉट द राइट टिप्स कि ये हिट जोड़ी है तो व्हाई
We should
नॉट
cast them together, yeah.
व्हाई नॉट कर या
Okay, आप माहिया पे रील कब बनाने वाले हो and when are we seeing you together in a new shoot?
ये दो सवाल है.
रील हम जल्दी बनाने वाले
रील
हैं.
हम बना चुके हैं.
हम बना चुके हैं, जल्दी पोस्ट करेंगे
हाँ.
हम. एंड क्या है, व्हेन विल वी सी यू टुगेदर?
On a new show.
On a new show.
पता नहीं. नो.
नहीं अभी तो नहीं.
Keep praying, keep hoping. Inshallah we'll be there soon.
Share some fun incident that happened in Dubai.
यही तो था अभी fun
ये वो
incident.
बोला था phone
Set
का thing.
हाँ.
Did you all ever crush on each other at any point?
No.
No, no, no.
Big fan question. Okay. Parth को पूछा गया है that you have to rate your co-actors basis your comfort. So Niti, Zara, Naila, Kushali.
सबके साथ हो यार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
There's no one specific. You have to rate Niti, Zara. This is literally a fan question.
यार मतलब actually everyone है. खुशहाली is also very this thing, very ease, and Zara तो मतलब I think she's more comfortable than me. Yeah, because I remember shooting with her. मतलब we had that intimate scene where intimate as in like you know like I had to like be very close to her, and I have met her on the very first day. तो हमारे लिए ऐसा होता है जब when we come from TV it takes time for us मतलब कि to build some sort of conversation, chemistry, relation. और शो पे भी ऐसा दिखाता है कि धीरे धीरे बढ़ता है.
But we did have a chemistry without having any conversation. That was the greatest part.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so you don't need a conversation or anything
Not
to
always.
have good chemistry.
No, Baba, I'm talking about day one.
Day
पे.
one, अच्छा ठीक है.
हाँ,
हाँ.
तो वो डे वन पे ही तो मतलब मुझे आई रिमेम्बर ज़ारा अरे तुम ऐसे आओ यहाँ आओ. Then I'm like अच्छा ओके.
Okay. Riya has asked what is one word. मैं आपको पोस्टर्स के नाम दूंगी. आपको एक word देना है. Niti, Erika, Kushali and Amna. एक word.
One word.
One.
So as actor or as a person?
As co-star.
Co-stars. Okay.
However you like that.
Cute. और
Erika.
Erika. Hot. और
Kushali.
खुशहाली. Comfort. Easy.
Amna.
Amna. Pretty.
Okay. Fan meetup कब करने वाले हो आप लोग?
जब पार्थ लौट आएगा अमेरिका से फिर हम करेंगे फैन मीट.
Yes.
पार्थ एक YouTube चैनल कब खोलने वाला?
I don't know.
I don't think he'll be able to manage one.
Yeah, that's why I'm not able to.
Okay, ask Niti Taylor when will she post video on her YouTube channel?
हाँ?
तुमने YouTube चैनल खोला?
अरे बहुत टाइम हो गया फिर कुछ
Okay.
किया नहीं.
तो इस ये नहीं कर सकती तो मैं क्या करूँ?
Yeah, see, very soon.
Very soon.
Very soon, maybe this.
Actually, do you have plans? YouTube continue करेगा नहीं?
I don't have, the thing is there's too much content to make and it takes time and efforts.
Yeah.
But we'll get there very soon.
Okay, आप दोनों की New Year plans क्या हैं?
I was going to go to Korea though, but one of my friend is getting married, so can't
Korea
go.
is good. I was there last year.
Yeah.
This New Year's मैं New York, Times Square.
Okay. When did Parth buy his new phone?
And that phone got lost. No.
उसके बाद ही
Okay, and Niti, please ask Niti about her future projects.
You will know very very soon. Like very soon.
क्या आंसर दिया ये मतलब कुछ तो उनको दो
अरे
यार
नहीं आ रहा है यार, बहुत
कुछ तो
जल्दी आ रहा है,
दो,
15
कुछ
दिन
तो।
में आ जाएगा, आप देख लीजिए प्लीज.
15 दिन अभी आप कुछ नहीं बोल सकते.
नहीं नहीं बोल सकती.
Be back in 15 days.
We'll be back in 15.
Maya gives fans a chance to see you both together again. Did
Yeah.
it bring back memories from Kaise Ye Yaariyan days?
Listen, we are not very like bring back memories. Oh my god, nahi nahi. We're very practical people, and we're not like we're making good, new memories, no? So yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. When will Parth do housewarming for his new house?
जब घर रेडी हो जाएगा यार
जब घर ready.
मतलब अराउंड मार्च
And lastly, after knowing each other more than 10 years, what do you think and feel about each other at this point?
I think we respect each other, and we are silently very happy for each other also when we see one of us doing great work. ऐसा कभी नहीं आएगा कि listen please do this for me or please post. It's naturally वो आ जाता है और दिल से आ जाता है. So I think that is the best thing, that we respect and have gratitude towards each other. Yeah.
Awesome. You would like to add something?
नहीं I think the relation has evolved over so many years and we have become I would say mature human beings and we respect each other and of course the understanding is there and the comfort level has become more at ease. So with each passing shoot or whatever we shoot, we keep on opening up.
Yeah, a comfort level. It's just an understanding, an unsaid,
Unspoken understanding.
nahi, unsaid bond. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Wish
Yes.
you guys
Thank
all the
you.
very best.
Thank you,
Thank
thank
you so
you.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.